In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop suggestions in Google Docs. Whether you're tired of seeing suggested edits pop up while you're typing, or you simply want full control over your document without any interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. You'll be surprised how fast and easy it is to switch back to normal editing mode. First, open your Google Drive and locate the document you want to work on. Once you've found it, double-click to open it in Google Docs. When the document loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small drop-down menu that usually says Suggesting, Editing, or Viewing. This little button controls how you interact with your documents, so it's very important. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on that menu. A drop-down will appear with 3 editing modes: Editing, Suggesting, and Viewing. If your document is currently showing suggestions automatically, that means you're in suggesting mode. To turn all suggestions off, simply select Editing. This mode allows you to type, delete, or format text normally, without Google Docs adding any green or colored suggestion marks. With just one click, you're now working in a clean, distraction-free document. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the correct permissions for the document. If you only have commenting access, you may not be able to switch editing modes. Also, if you're collaborating with others, let them know you've changed to editing mode so they understand you're making direct changes instead of suggestions. Doing these things beforehand can prevent confusion later. Once you've switched to editing mode, test it out by typing or deleting a bit of text. You should notice that everything now updates instantly without suggestions appearing. After that, you should be able to continue writing or editing your document without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to click the mode drop-down again occasionally to make sure it hasn't switched back. Sometimes shared documents can reset editing modes depending on how many collaborators are working inside. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your workflow nice and fast. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stop suggestions in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?